Hey Lord. Hey Lord.
Record. 3, 2, 1.
Hello. We're back to another video.
Today we are playing Juicy Sour Salad, yes. This time with Austin Boy.
Yes. Failure man.
Austin, where are you?
Austin, where the are you?
Why are you in the tutorial? Did someone? We already did the
Austin, why were you in the tutorial? You know how to do an obby. Nah, bro, still a beginner at Roblox.
Austin just went out nice, okay?
Austin, if you're playing on the tutorial.
Stop. Please.
No! I wanna call Austin noob now.
Just stop it, okay? We can't.
No, I wanna say noob.
That's nothing damage.
And so part of NATO's founding is about making sure that the war doesn't happen again. And many of the people believe that what they're doing
This is so easy.
Guys, I disconnected.
Are you kidding?
Don't worry. No need to re-record. I'll just rejoin.
I'm blue, da booty, da booty, da booty.
I accidentally joined the limbo, but it's not in your server, guys. Wait.
Chloe, it's in our server.
Yeah, I know. Wait. Guys, can you record?
Are you kidding?
Heads of government, foreign ministers, 12 countries gathered to sign the North Atlantic Treaty in Washington, D.C. The agreement had just 14
We've been re-recording for so long already.
Yeah, we'll go.
Okay, reset. Austin, you have to reset. You must reset. Chloe, stay there. Austin, reset. Okay, 3, 2,